So I have my top 12 list of tools here, and I just want to go over them and show you what I have that I'm constantly using anytime I'm doing my projects. 25-foot tape measure, must have. My number one tool though is this step stool. Used in many applications, you gotta have that. Vice grips, must have in your tool chest. Adjustable wrench, great for plumbing projects, must have. A hammer, probably 90% of the projects that you'll do around your house, you're gonna need a hammer. Screwdrivers, flathead and a Phillips head. Those are the two most important. I have a ratchet set. Good to have a ratchet set that fits imperial and metric. A punch, and this is self-engaging punch, spring activated, must have tool. And to go with that, a full set of drill bits for metal or for wood. Cordless drill, used in 90% of the projects that I do. Level, gotta have a level. Most important tool around. You always have to install things level. Pictures, bookcases, desks, always need a level. And of course, my last one, which is my circular saw. Used all the time. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.